Hi everyone, welcome to Csdo. Today we have two of our students. One is Nishi, one is Tamanna. Hi Nishi and Tamanna.
Hi.
They both did, it's Valentine's week guys, and we have them for something interesting. These all beautiful things have been made by the art of Decoupage, as you can see. Beautiful bottles. These are the jars, and then we have candles. So let's hear from them. So Nishi, what do you do?
I'm a postgraduate in advertising and marketing.
Wonderful. And Tamanna?
I just graduated in commerce.
Congratulations. So I would be asking for a gift for myself too soon. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
So how was your experience about Decoupage?
Oh, I really enjoyed it. I was, from very long interested in decoupage.
Okay.
Now I'm done it. So I'm personally very happy because doing this myself, because we have seen this on shops, different shops. But done it by myself, it's good.
Okay, so it gives you now a little bit of confidence that okay, now if it's your friend's birthday or any anniversary, you can make it on your own. Nice. And what about you, Tamanna? How was your experience?
Yeah, actually I had no idea that something of this sort exists, and recently when I learned about it, I was kind of interested in it, and then doing it on my own was a completely different experience, because as per me all these things were tattooed or pasted, and now I am doing it my own self, and this is an art in itself, and you can do it on any place. So all in all, it's a great experience, and I am looking forward to working on it.
Wonderful, and I think we have advanced level also. So once you guys practice this sometime, you can definitely be in touch with us. We'll definitely guide you more on how you can do and elaborate these designs and move to the next level, because you have already covered, you have been graduated in, I must say, Decoupage also now, so you can get a postgraduate in Decoupage too. And what about your trainer? How was the trainer?
He was very helpful and very good. He was explaining us very little things also at times.
Okay. All your doubts were cleared?
Yeah.
Out of 10, how much would you rate Csdo?
I'll rate 10 only.
10.
Yeah, 10 and beyond.
10 and beyond. Okay. Okay, so I wish you guys all the very best. I don't know you guys will be pursuing it as a hobby or as your career, but Csdo will be there with you. We'll make sure that any point in time you need our help related to decoupage or related to any other course or your career. Exhibitions, we have a lot of information also about the exhibitions that come. So if you want to plan something together, because you were batchmates also, you can, and we are there for you. Thank you so much for your feedback. So guys, even if you are interested in decoupage like these beautiful girls, you can definitely let us know, and we'll be more than happy to guide you. Thank you.